Well, I'm almost home. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I'm almost home. They need to come on back down this way and put them blades on this road. Get them plows back out. Because it's starting to get a little thick. Getting a little thick, baby. But I'm doing the damn thing. I'm doing it. Got mama to work. I'm almost home. Got a full tank of gas. You gotta have a full tank when you're dealing with this type of shit. Got my shovel. Even got a case of water in the back. On standby. Got my coffee. I'm good. Yeah, it's starting to get a little ruddy. Starting to get a little ruddy. Anticipate this light. On light. Wiper, stop! You're embarrassing me! You're embarrassing me! Stop your squeaking ass! Visibility is at a little low. Trying to get into Dunkin' Donuts, but you can't get in there because the entrance is fucking snowed up. I ain't taking no chance on that. I got donuts and shit at the house. Got my snacks yesterday. Got them tasty cakes on deck. I'm good. Watch me some football later on. I think I'm gonna make me some spaghetti. Here's a good day for spaghetti, nice and hot. Some hot, nice hot sauce with some spaghetti with some garlic bread. Might even throw a little salad in there. I don't know. Nobody on 295. But there's people out. You got a few stragglers like myself. Had to get mama to work. They're like, oh, I gotta get to work. Ain't nobody gonna be there. We got patients we gotta feed, which I understand. Look at them, y'all. They lined up. I told y'all about time y'all need to get on this side. All right, let me ease into this little turn. Ease on into the turn, baby. That's how you do it. Brake easy. Little light pedal. Little light pedal. When you got ruts like this, don't stop. Just ease on into it. Stay in the rut. Oh yeah, see, she got a little, she's twisting and turning, baby. All right, come on, girl. We almost home. Come on. You be good to Big Daddy. You be good. Okay, lights working. Okay, we got the lights working with us. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the muffler. Every time it gets cold, real cold, you want to hear that vibration in the exhaust, I guess. I don't know what the fuck it is. I just can't figure it out. She warm. It only does it when it's cold. I mean, real cold outside. Summertime, springtime, I ain't got no problem with it. But when the temperature gets cold, she seemed to want to fucking gargle. Now we're on a little hill here, so I just want to get on up on the top of the hill. Hit that de-icer. Keep the wipers clean. Keep that hole from squeaking. See, look, she ain't squeaking now. Gotta keep that hole from squeaking. Warm her up. Yeah, I get that little fucking rattling sound. I don't know what it is. Only happens when it's cold. It might be the cat. But I ain't got no check engine light on. I don't know what it is. Excuse me. Look, got the motherfucking Cybertruck out. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, she's going. Okay, ease on into it, baby. Ease on into it. Come on, you can get up this hill. Ease on into it. There you go. There you go. Work with daddy. Work with daddy. Ooh, look how beautiful this is. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Ain't nobody out. The smart one stayed home. I was trying to tell her, let's stay home. That's what happens when you're dedicated to your job. Gotta get there. Gotta get there. We'll see how many people on Stokes Hill. Stokes Hill, man, that normally be packed. Still a little early this morning, but they'll be down here today. Both sides of the roads, string of cars. You gotta walk your dogs, your friendly pets. Get them out. Get your little friendly friends out. Get them out. Look like a little husky. Look like a little husky. Oh yeah, y'all. It's getting thick. It's getting thick. She getting thick. They got the cone set up. They about ready to get it in today. Got the cones all set up. Oh, there's some people down there. There's some people down there. A couple little stragglers. Got the light. Got the light. Yep, we made it home, y'all. We made it home. Safe and sound. Look who's on deck, y'all. Look who's on deck. Look who's on deck, y'all. All right, y'all, we out.